The fold-up utility wagon has 4 oversized wheels that are 4 inches wide and 7 inches diameter, solid for improved traction on all terrain, make this wagon more stable than other wagons. The folding wagon is designed with an adjustable pull handle for effortless transport. The folding wagon cart fabric material 600D polyester, and it is removable for easy hand or hose washing. Camping wagon cart frame material steel. The outdoor utility wagon cart sturdy black steel frame is more stable. It opens and folds up easily in seconds. Folding away for convenient storage. Small enough to fit in a closet, on the wall, or in the trunk of any standard car. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large capacity. Large load folding wagon cart outside dimensions approximately 34.3 inches large by 20 inches width by 26.4 inches height. The collapsible utility wagon cart inside size is 31 inches large by 17.7 inches width by 10.6 inches height. The ground to the top of the handle is 38.6 inches. 2 mesh cup holder, beverages safe and sound. 2 cups are not included. Number 2. Weight capacity. The wheel of the wagon is 4 inches wide and 7 inches in diameter. The large big wide all-terrain wheels suit different road surfaces. The durable 600D fabric of the wagon cart is removable to be easily cleaned. The heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame of the camping utility wagon cart is sturdy to transport heavy and bulky loads and rust-proof. Number 3. Large wheels. The folding wagon comes with heavy-duty 7 inches by 4 inches thick wide solid wheels. This collapsible wagon has an adjustable telescoping handle for effortless transport and provides easy control on most terrains. Very compact when folded for a carry-on handle for easy portable. Number 4. Easy transport. Sets up in seconds, no assembly required. Small enough to fit in a closet, on the wall or in the trunk of any standard car. Folding utility wagon cart is perfect for hauling gear to outdoor sporting events, concerts, transporting shopping, grocery store, family outings, or as a goods trolley, and great for trips, travel, vacation, garden, park, zoo, camping, and great for use around the house. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.